inches closer, it is the Aam Aadmi Party versus the BJP's political face-off that is only gathering more steam. You've heard when it comes to trading of barbs, you've seen poster wars, you've seen war of words from both sides in the lead-up to the elections, and both the parties which are taking aim at the top leadership of each other's party. BJP has not taken kindly to some of the social media posts and references that have been made by the Aam Aadmi Party and its leaders, where Times Now has accessed details of at least 5 FIRs that have now been filed by the BJP against the Aam Aadmi Party and its social media team. Now, in these complaints, the BJP has accused the Aam Aadmi Party of trying to spread misinformation and spreading inflammatory content against the Prime Minister and the Union Home Minister. Let's take a look as far as these multiple FIRs is concerned, and then we'll play out reactions coming in from the BJP side. The first FIR suggests that has been filed by the BJP against the Aam Aadmi Party, which goes on to level the charge of Aam Aadmi Party's ex-post that contained inflammatory remarks against the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. Another FIR that suggests that has been filed by the BJP, and this is against the Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal. The charges that has been leveled saying that Aam Aadmi Party's post contains morphed and fabricated voice of the Home Minister. Another FIR that has been filed, of course, when it comes to the charges saying that the intent was to spread hatred and destroy communal harmony. Let's talk about the third FIR that we have accessed the details of. This has been filed against the Aam Aadmi Party by the BJP, saying that there is defamatory post against the Prime Minister that has been done by the social media team of the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's get you details of another FIR that has now been posted by the BJP, and in this FIR that we are looking at against the X handle that is said to be linked to the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that there has been a bid to spread misinformation regarding the Prime Minister's residence. Another FIR as far as what has been filed by the BJP against Kejriwal, Atishi, the Chief Minister, and Bhagwant Mann, where the charges that has been leveled saying that there has been provocative statements that has been made against the people of Bihar and of when it comes to Uttar Pradesh. Let's listen in to how the BJP is now reacting over when it comes to multiple FIRs that has been filed by them against the Aam Aadmi Party.
This Aam Aadmi Party, headed by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, they are leaving no stone unturned to create anarchy in Delhi. I mean, making fabricated videos through AI, mock videos. This is your true colors and your standard. That's what you're showing to the people. The model code of conduct is in progress, and he's doing all these things in social media. This shows their true character. What cheap kind of people are these? The Delhi police has rightly filed an FIR. And we urge the Election Commission to take stringent action against Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal for this.
Now, when it comes to the political war of words over these FIRs that has been raging on, while the BJP claims that the Aam Aadmi Party is engaging in cheap politics by spreading morphed videos of the Prime Minister and of the Union Home Minister, the Aam Aadmi Party says that these are the FIRs that are being registered against them to divert attention from the real issues. Sources within the Aam Aadmi Party have also expressed apprehension that after these FIRs, probably the next step would be to target the Chief Minister Atishi and also senior leader Manish Sisodia. Kejriwal's party, however, has slammed these FIRs as selective use of power and the abuse of state machinery.